Realme Narzo 50i Prime Technical Specifications. Octa-core Unisoc processor with ARM Cortex, A75 architecture up to 1.82 GHz speed. ARM Mali G57 graphics processor. It comes in two versions, 3GB RAM and 32GB, or 4GB and 64GB UFS, 2.2 storage display. .5 of a maximum resolution of 720p with a peak brightness of 400 nits. The Pixel 8 has 1200 nits and the iPhone 15 has 1000 nits. The panel is IPS LCD. Physically, the phone is flat front and back, measuring 164.1 high x 75.6 wide x 8.55 mm thick. It's plastic front and back. It comes in two colors, mint green and dark blue. Features 3.5mm headphone port and a single loudspeaker autonomy. Although I haven't put any SIM cards in my tests, I charged the device 5 days ago, and I have used it constantly on two networks, specifically WhatsApp and Facebook, and I still have 55% battery left. The battery is 5000 mAh. The charging system is by micro USB cable, with maximum charging speed of 10 W. It does not bring charger in its box, only the cable. Although it is plastic on the back, it does not include a wireless charging system. Realme promises with 5% battery remaining and ultra power saver mode, 1.5 hours chatting on WhatsApp, 2.3 hours of calls, 4.1 hours of Spotify. Cameras. One camera in the front and one in the back. That's enough. We're talking about a phone that costs $95 and has a 5MP front-facing camera with HDR and records videos in 720p. The rear camera is 8MP, records videos in 1080p, with HDR and scene recognition with artificial intelligence, portrait mode, time-lapse, manual, pro, panorama, and night. Maximum zoom of 4x in photos. In order to be able to use the camera to its fullest, I had to put an external memory on it. Software. After the unboxing, I was able to update the computer 4 times, patches and system updates. I'm currently on Android 11, RMX 3506 Auto 11 A76. On the website, Realme calls it Realme UI R Edition. Based on Android 11, pre-installed. We have an abusive amount of bloatware, social networks, and games mostly. To my liking, The user experience with 3 GB and 32 GB of storage was satisfactory. The system takes up 15 GB of internal storage. My recommendation with this phone is that it is mandatory to be used with an external microSD memory card. It supports up to 1 TB of external memory, and for my tests, I put a 128 GB one. When inserted, we have the option to use the memory as an extension of the system storage for apps and system files. Or we can use it as removable storage to set up the cameras and store all the digital content directly to our external storage. On the security side, we have facial recognition, pattern, password, and numeric PIN. The call quality is good. It supports 4G LTE networks, and as part of the connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 5.0.